Right now we are doing a recipe for called the Lazy Recipe by The Perfect Refuge. It's on YouTube. And then you take 2 zucchinis, or croquettes in Italian, and you shred it. And then you go and you put a layer of onion, which is already chopped. This goes on top. John, you can put that on top. I'll put this over here. And then on top of that is going to be shredded potato. Let me get the potato for him. And I failed to mention that when you take the zucchini, when you shred it, you've got to squeeze the juice out of it. Along with the potato. He's squeezing the potato now, getting the juice out. That goes on top. Then on top of that, it's going to be a little bit of olive oil, rosemary, salt and pepper, and tomato. So let me do that. Okay, now you see the potatoes on top. It's a seasoned, let's push it around. Since I love rosemary, add a little bit more on tomato. Now, the recipe online, it calls for turkey on the bottom. However, I didn't have any ground turkey and I didn't want to use ground hamburger. I'm making purely vegetarian. So, remember the first layer is the zucchini shredded. Rinse, you squeezed out and put in. Second layer is the onion, just chopped, it's spread out. Top layer is potato, shredded and squeezed out of juices. On top a little bit of olive oil, then you can use, whoops, sorry about that, salt and pepper and rosemary. So, I'll get back with you when it's all done. Bye.